Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to change a side mirror, or what others call side view mirror. And we're working on 2008 Nissan Rogue, and this method can also work on 2008 to 2013 Nissan Rogue or Nissan Murano. So what I have here is a side mirror that doesn't have a cover. So in a cover, buying a new cover is almost the same price as buying a new mirror. So I went ahead and bought a used side mirror where I even saved up some money. So thus give me an opportunity to show you how to properly remove an old side mirror and replace with a new side mirror. So this side mirror is being held by some bolt behind this cover right here. So that cover has to come out, and it also being covered by the door panel. So the door panel also has to come out. There is one bolt right here by the door handle and two more right here. So we need to remove those little covers that are hiding the bolts. And let me take this opportunity to welcome those who are new to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button and stay tuned. So I got the first cover out over there by the door handle. There is two more bolts right here. Using this trim tool as a plastic trim tool, we're going to reveal to open that little cover that is hiding the two bolts. All right, we got the cover out, and these are the two bolts that I'm talking about, one on the bottom and one on the top. And here, using a 10mm socket and an impact driver, you can either use an impact driver or you can use a ratchet. So for these two bolts right here on the main handle, we're gonna need an extension because they're way deep in there. And here we go, we got all the screws loose. So here are the two bolts. Now once you have the screws out, what are holding the panel in place are some clips that are behind the panel. It's a plastic clips that need to be wiggled out on distant gauge using this trim tool or around the panel. Once you got few clips unhooked, you can actually use your hand to pull the panel carefully, not to so you don't break those clips. Once you have all the clips out, you can lift the panel to unhook it from the top, and you don't have to disconnect all the other stuff behind the panel. There's some wires and cables, so I just leave it right there leaning by the door like that. And now we can be able to unhook this cover right here, and all you do is just grab it and we got it out like that. Those are the three plastic clips that were holding it in place. Next thing, we're going to disconnect the wiring harness that bring power to the side mirror, and there is a tab right there on the next to it. You just press it and it's gonna unhook super easy. Now using a 10mm socket, now we can access the three bolts that I told you that are holding the side mirror, and we're going to use the impact drill and loosen all those three nuts. Once we get those three nuts out, the side mirror should be able to come out easily. Just wiggle it out carefully. And here we go, we got the side mirror out, and now we are ready to put in the new side mirror that actually has a cover. Actually, that's how, guys, you take off a side mirror. And installing a new one, you just drive in that wiring cable right there through the big hole, and then line up the stands on those holes, and the side mirror should be in place. Once you have your bolts through the holes, all you need is put back the nuts back in place. And always remember, hand tighten first before you come in with your tool. And when you come with your tool, make sure you tighten them a little bit on each one of them. That way the side mirror can evenly sit and have a proper seal. Once you tighten, remember to hook back the power. And once you have the power connected, we're gonna test the side mirror, make sure it's working using the control switch. And as you can see, it's working, so we're good to go. So far so good. We're going to install this cover right here that is covering those bolts. All you need here is line it up there and give it a tap, and it's going to sit right there in place. Now we can install the door panel. Start by hanging from the top. Once it hung from the top, give it a few taps and it's going to sit in place. Then go tapping each side until you hear those clips. They're going to be snapping in place, just like that. And so far so good. All we need now is to install back the 3 bolts. So far, if you liking this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing. And to all those who have already subscribed to Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel, I really salute you guys. Thank you for your support. Sincere thanks. We are almost heading to 2,000 subscribers. We couldn't have been this far without you. So thank you guys. So once we have all the bolts in and tight, now the door panel is nice and tight, and all we need is install this panel. You start from the top there, and you just place it down. It's going to snap in place like that. And don't forget this retro cover right there to cover that bolt by the door handle. I know sometimes those small details, sometimes we tend to forget, but that's what makes the work look clean. And as you can see, guys, we are done. That's how you install a side mirror or a side view mirror on your car. I am fully satisfied with that job. As you can see, before and after. Actually, now the side mirror is matching with this driver's side. So that's how you do it, guys. Stay tuned. The more videos are coming up here on Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.